Don't miss out on this spectacular, well-cared-for home on approximately 0.76 acres. All of the rooms are spacious, and there's even a laundry room and separate mudroom off of the oversized two-car garage. The kitchen is a chef's dream with newer cabinets and backsplash, gorgeous countertops, and an island with breakfast bar seating. The adjacent dining area makes entertaining easy and can flow into the living room to keep the fun going all day long. The living room has a beautiful fireplace with brick facade, lots of windows that pour in natural light, and plenty of space to gather. The master suite boasts his and her closets and double vanities in the ensuite bathroom. Relax in the amazing four-season sunroom or step out into the stamped concrete patio with a pergola where you can enjoy the sunshine and fresh air. Here you'll find your outdoor oasis with a fire pit and raised gardens, providing beauty and enjoyment for family and friends. See the beauty of this home for yourself by scheduling a tour with Kathy Klinger before this one slips away.